a house halfway around the world, and I was invited in for a small taste of gin. There was a hallway 1,000 birds long, but the biggest one of all was in a cage too small. I asked the caretaker, cause he was a maker, looked at me and laughed, took another sip from his glass and said, open up your ears and hearts. You put a big bird in a small cage and a sing him a song that we all love to sing along to the sound of the bird that walks. Well, we rolled into town in the sweet New Orleans to the Apple Barrel Bar. There's a hole in the wall, the ceilings weren't tall, the floor super grind, but the sound that you would make would just warm your hearts. Well, it was 11:45 when the boys walked in. They got their black suits on and the songs would begin. You open up your ears and hearts. You put a big bird in a small cage and would sing you a song that we all love to sing along to the sound of the bird that you put a big bird in a small cage and would sing a song. You put a big bird in a small cage and would sing you a song. You put a big bird in a small cage and would sing you a song. You put a big bird in a small cage.